guys, we're back to more videos. So today we're going to see this, the cactus. I don't know. This is my me. And that's grade 4. So that is, if you want to see more videos on channel, make sure to like, subscribe. So this is my first name. I don't know what to talk about this, but this is my new channel, my new videos. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also guys, hit the link in description. So this is the me. I'm going to see, because I'm in E from this. So look at this, look at the pencil thing, look at the pencil thing, this thing. Wait, let's see, that's sharp thing. Wait, let's see, you like it? Okay, the sharp thing, I guess. Okay, so anyways guys, if you want to share more videos on the channel, subscribe to my channel. Also guys, goodbye guys.